Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Actor Karanveer Mehra flew down to Delhi after domestic flights started operating around the country, and we got in touch with him to find out his experience of traveling, and here's what he had to share.
Hi guys, Karanveer Mehra, and I recently traveled from Mumbai to Delhi on the first flight from Indigo, which took off at around 6 o'clock in the evening and landed at 8 o'clock. So I'm sharing this experience with you all through India Forums, and thank you for having me. Firstly, I booked my flight online. Once I reached the airport, a very good friend of mine dropped me, and on reaching the airport, I had to web check in on the phone, which was again helped by one of the Indigo staffs. And you have to have that Aragya Setu app, which declares that you are in good health before you can travel. I was thermally tested and then let inside. और उसके बाद everything was normal. Only that the baggage 7 kg से कम हो अगर, only then you can hand carry. Otherwise, you have to put it in the check-in. Or everybody was very helpful, right from the ground staff to the onboard staff and people who were helping out otherwise also with wheelchairs and everything. A lot of social distancing was maintained right till we reached the craft, and then people were sitting next to each other. Middle seat में कोई ऐसा gap नहीं था, which was strange because all this while we came with 6 feet gap. And then again when we landed, so it was very nicely organized. Row by row we exited with social distancing and reached the belt where the baggage belt, and again people started distancing. But again we were sitting right next to each other, so I don't know how helpful that was. So that's like my experience in a nutshell. And once I landed in Delhi, there was no testing done, there was no quarantine norms that was given. I am self-isolating myself in this room. As you can see, Delhi में luckily घर थोड़े बड़े होते हैं. So my mother who is here in the house is behind that glass door there. And we had breakfast in the morning together, but again it's a big table, so I sat at one end, she sat at one end. And most of the times I'm carrying all my essentials like a face mask and all these things. And it's workout time now. I will go work out upstairs. She's going to work out in the balcony here. I'll do a terrace workout, do a lot of runs and stretches and things like that. Okay, the next question is, what made you travel to Delhi? Of course, so I'm basically a people's person. तो 2 महीने से घर पे बंद था तो पक चुका था, and I was missing my mom and I just wanted to be with her. I am with her, but I still can't hug her, meet her, and spend time with her. I can't tell her to give me a head massage. So I'm just waiting for these 14 days to pass by. Luckily, I have no symptoms. I have no body pain or temperature, but I don't want to take the risk. She's a senior citizen, 65, though really fit, and she understands everything. So again, but why take the risk? I don't want to really mess that up. But I hope jaldi se nikal jaye 14 days. So precautions I took while traveling was I took my gear with me, which is not exactly the PPE full kit, but yeah, there was a screen that I had, and I was also given this by the airlines, and which was mandatory while we were seated. A face mask, hand gloves and sanitizers were available at every 5-10 meters, and also I carried my own sanitizer, which I kept sanitizing, and pair a few extra gloves in case it phad jate hain, so I can start using the other one. Then airport pe there was food court was functional, so I ordered a pizza from Pizza Hut, which was again they say everything is safe, and I was hungry and I didn't want to die of hunger, तो मैंने कर लिया और खाया और सब कुछ सैनिटाइज करा. And so these are the precautions I took. So what was the scenario while traveling? As I explained, we were everybody was distancing themselves even at the airport. वैसे तो बहुत खाली था. It was like I have come on a film set. Mumbai city, which I've seen never sleep. वहाँ का airport वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं सोता कभी. So that was like a shocker for me because everywhere I saw it was like you could hardly see people, and it was very quiet and very dead. So it gave a very eerie feeling. But again, we understand these are tough times and we had to pass through them. So, but yeah, it's a very sad to see Mumbai airport like this, and the whole city actually, jo is going through such a bad phase. I hope the whole world gets its vibe back soon. I'm just hoping that. Any problem you faced while traveling, or it was sorted? No, mostly everything was sorted. As I said, you need to self check in on the phone. उसके लिए self declaration ज़रूरी है that you are in good health. The Arogya Setu app is important. That you should download, and it's a self declaration where it says you don't have symptoms and stuff like that. The only thing worries me is that at Delhi airport I was not asked to check myself. I was expecting there'll be medical staff to at least check for symptoms, stuff like that. But Delhi airport was like usual business. I just got out. Luckily, I had my car and I sat and I came. But baki log, taxis were available. But baki log, obviously, I can't comment much. I'm sure they have all the data because we have declared ourselves in the beginning while coming, so they can track us down. But again, I was a little paranoid coming home, as I have also said before. So वो एक चीज़ होनी चाहिए थी. अगर मेरे को टेस्ट कर लिया जाता और नेगेटिव होता, so I would have been happier coming home and meeting my mom rather than quarantining myself in the room. Same house and not meeting family. How to staying in the same house and not meeting family is very difficult. I'm not able to hug her, though we are meeting as in distantly, and we've had breakfast together in the morning on a huge table. And अलग-अलग बैठ के sanitize करके जगह. So that is one thing. How you utilize your time alone. So this is the workout time now. I'll quickly take my shake, pre-workout, and start workout. I'll go on the terrace and work out. I've ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon and sanitized it, be it the yoga mat, skipping rope, a lot of other abdominal things. Very important to stay healthy in these times, guys. Your immune system depends on your mental health as well. So mental health will be strong if you are working out regularly, eating right. हल्की सी गले में खिंच भी होती है तो you feel कि यार कुछ हो रहा है वो. So at least these 2-3 hours are keeps you busy in your workouts. तो वो एक अच्छी चीज़ है. That I do. Okay. Any new activities you have cultivated? Yes, I have started playing the guitar. I was about to get that. तो मैं ला नहीं पाया because of course बहुत packed वो सामान है. As in they were not allowing too many bags, and I wanted to travel light. So I ordered a new guitar here, and because I wanted to keep that thing alive. So hopefully it'll be coming in another 2-3 days. I've ordered a football for myself, which I keep practicing now. I have a huge terrace, so मैं उस पर practice करूँगा थोड़ी देर. So that's the way I'm going to keep myself busy. Something new you have discovered about yourself. Something new that I've discovered about myself. It's not about myself. It's again a self-realization कि it's again a very deep thought. I'm sure a lot of क्या कहते हैं उनको, people who are philosophers will understand that मैं किसकी वजह से हूँ, आप लोगों की वजह से. So my existence depends on people around me. So if I was alone, I was just a little claustrophobic about the fact that I don't know if you understand this part. It's again at a very psychic level. So again, the realization that I'm people's people, and I need to stay around people to stay happy. So that was haunting me almost on a daily basis. And the last question you said was, which I never thought will happen. I thought I can easily lead my life lonely. But yeah, I need people around. I need to be with somebody sometime in life. So that was one thing. I don't know if I made sense, but yeah, that's one thing that I realized. Okay. Household activities been like, so luckily I have a house help there as well. But I've helped out. I'm basically from a hostel. So मेरे लिए कभी भी कोई भी चीज़ डिफिकल्ट नहीं रही है. कुछ साफ करना हो, कपड़े समेटना ये वो. I've been a very neat kid. So hostel life as it has made me very independent, and I've started my life all from Delhi. I flew to Bombay for work, and I've started from staying in a 1 BHK with 7 guys to really made my life. So I'm I'm good with managing things and working for myself and working towards keeping the surroundings clean and hygiene. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you India Forums for having me on this platform. And I wish जो travel कर रहा है, please go through these guidelines which government are distributing, and they have it on the internet also. कि आपका पास app downloaded होना चाहिए आरोग्य सेतु का, your self declaration regarding your health. And if you have any symptoms, don't travel. Please see the nearest clinic, doctor, or whoever is advising you as your family doctor. Thanks. Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys liked this chat with Karanveer. If you did, do comment and tell us, and don't forget to subscribe. Ashima Chavda, India Forums, Mumbai.